Agave plant at growplants.org, also known as century plant. So this is perennial evergreen succulent, and the plant grow few years after the plant bloom. The plant dies, and the young daughter plants grow instead. It's used as ornamental. Some variety can use for medical or for also for food. You can eat the flowers, the sweet nectar, and of course the leaves and the basil stalk. Sorry, the rosettes, the basil rosettes are edible. But this is not in every variety, not in this variety. This variety grows as mostly as a drought-tolerant and ornamental plant, and this is used for ornamental reason. Uh, okay, so requirements that will include all these plants will be well-drained soil. Uh, do not overwater. Small amount of water it's enough. Full sun to full shade with a lot of light, not with a lot, with light. You can grow it also as houseplant, but it's this is too much big. You have a smaller variety. It can grow from 20 centimeter to 2 meter, and the stalk can be very high. It can be from 1 meter to 6 meters. So it's mean that the plant will be from 1 feet a little bit to 7 feet, and the stalk can be from 3 feet above. Depends on variety. Major pests are the agave weevil, snails when the plant's young, and also slugs. Um, you can plant it all year, especially if you live in a hot climate area. And if you live in a cold climate, spring will be the optimal season. And in a hot climate, I would maybe recommend you in the autumn in order to have to use less water, that it establish better over the winter when there is rains. If the winter is not too much strong in your area, it can grow very well. Do not overwater, it's not really helping the plant to grow. So you can dry between each time that you plant it. Okay, so blooming will be in the summer mostly, and you can have yellow or pink flowers, depend. And some, as I said before, are edible and used for nectar. Uh, and the leaves you can harvest mostly in the winter to the spring. And this is again not every how do you say, sorry, not every species or cultivar you can eat. You need to know exactly what you eat. You should check in the website growplants.org what you can eat. It's always written edible. So if it's written edible, it means that you can eat it. And you can use it for as cooked, roasted, or baked. Roasted, it's my favorite. After I tried, this is my favorite. There is so much to tell about this plant. You should ask if you have a question. So that's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course like this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate, just ask. I hope you enjoy.